Hey, y'all ever had jackfruit before? Ooh, honey. Mmm, 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 mmm. If you have not had jackfruit, boo, you gotta get you some jackfruit. Let me tell you, I saw them in the store. Man, many times at the market I've seen it. But they're expensive, right? Like I picked one up and it was like really big and it had to be like 40 pounds or so. And it was like over $50, right? And I was like, oh, no, never mind. I'll wait. But I went to the market, the rural market, a few days ago, maybe sometime earlier this week, and they had a small jackfruit, right? So I decided to get the small jackfruit, and it cost me only $15. But y'all, look at how much it yielded. And that's not all. That's not all it yielded, y'all, because I ate a lot of it. Yeah, as I was picking it. But let me tell you, if you have not had jackfruit before, you missing out, boom. Mmm, 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 mmm. Woo! Y'all, it's like a mango and mmm, a pineapple and maybe a little papaya. Mm-mm. It's like all the little fruit that's sweet with this kind of texture. I even taste a little bit of banana, and I don't even like bananas. But in the right combination, this is good. uh, y'all stay tuned. Keep watching because I'm showing you how I opened and took out all the little jackfruit pods. It's nice and delicious. All right. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like, comment, and share this video. All right, stay tuned. Hold up. Oh my gosh. Mmm. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Oh my gosh. I have walked by this fruit so many times. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Guys. Oh. Jackfruit is where it's at. Oh my gosh. All right, so let me talk a little bit because I haven't been talking here. So look, this is like the pod, right? So the seed comes in here. I don't know if y'all can see that little opening there. So this is the seed. That's the seed. And it's located inside here. And you take this little piece out here where the seed sits, and then you eat this part. And y'all, it's so sweet. Oh my goodness. I just had this break and tell y'all about this right here. All right, let me get back to it. It is so good. I feel like I'm eating a mango, a pineapple. Oh my God. Y'all gotta get this.